guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making some cake batter truffles. Now before you get intimidated or you think this is something hard because it's got the word truffles in it, trust me, it's not. It's just 2 ingredients. All you will need is some butter, some cake batter, and some sprinkles. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, to get things started, I started out with some Betty Crocker Super Moist Cake Mix, and it is in the white version. You can choose any type of cake mix you want, but I chose white because it looks good against the sprinkles and it kind of makes it pop. So that's pretty much what I used as far as cake mix went, and you want to pick quality kind. I've heard if you choose the cheaper brands, it's not quite as good and it's kind of bitter tasting. Next, what I'm going to do is just take a stick of butter and I'm going to put that in the microwave for about 1 minute and 20 seconds. So that's all you have to do just to make sure it gets melted. So once you've done all of that, all you have to do is just take that cake mix and put it in the butter and let it evenly distribute. If you have trouble with it being a little too dry, all you have to do is add a little bit more butter and just make sure everything's coated well, and that's pretty much it. So at this point, you can go ahead and add those sprinkles in. I had more of the round sprinkles and I let that get within the cake mixture, but then I realized I wanted to be a little bit more chunkier, and so I added in a different kind. So that's what it looks like. So I'm sure you can guess what's next. We're just going to take this cake batter mixture, and that's really a tongue twister. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and take this and just roll it into balls and just place it on a cookie sheet or whatever you want to do. And we're done. That's all you have to do. This is a really simple recipe and it won't break the bank. I think I spent about $2 on all this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see in the next video. I'll talk to you guys later, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye!